This is basically an educational video I'm making here. What I have in my hand is a 3-shot 12-bore breeder shotgun with a quarter choke, and this is a 1-ounce Ely cartridge, clay cartridge, 7.5 shot. And a lot of people underestimate the power of a shotgun. I'm going to demonstrate now by using a turnip, which I have here, and I'm going to measure out the distance and shoot it, and you'll see, demonstrate how hard this turnip is. I'll throw it at the tree and it bounces off, so you can imagine. Alright, I'll put it up there. Add a bit of realism. We'll put a cap on his head. Load up the gun. I'll pace it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 paces. Right, I'll take the safety off now and I'll take my shot. Are we ready? No turnip. You can now all see how dangerous a shotgun is, so they're not a thing, they're not a toy to be messed with, as that turnip now proves. Also, I read a lot of forums on shooting and guns, and I'm going posting this one up on an American forum and see what they think of it. But as I say, you can't be too careful. Always have the safety on and the breech open on a semi-auto when you're not using it. And never point it at anyone, even if it is unloaded, because it's the unloaded guns that do the damage. A classic example of destruction. When the Americans talk about their home defence plans and all the rest of it, they're talking about 1.5 ounce, 2 ounce, 3-inch cartridges and buckshot and everything else. But I really can't see the want for it, because anyone could stand up to that kind of thing, about that kind of range. It'd have to be made of iron. But I'll let you discuss that, and you can put it on my comments page if you're interested. The 2 big turnips, the rest is just turnip puree. If you look closely, we can zoom in on this. You can see the tracks of the pellets and the penetration, and God forbid whatever that would do to a human being, it wouldn't be good anyway. You see there once again.
Right.
Right?
Yeah.
Is it on?
Yeah.
Yes.
That was just to the side of it.
Yeah. Made shit of it though, didn't it? This is another one at the same distance, just for good measure. Raining turnip.